Hi guys, my name's Amar Latif. I'm the founder of Traveleyes, and I thought I'd share with you some tandem cycling tips before your exciting adventure. So the person at the front is referred to as the pilot, and they get on first, make sure the bike is sturdy, and the person at the back is known as the stoker, or in our case, visually impaired traveller. And knowing our VIs, they'll probably want to sit at the front, in which case, good luck. Okay, so to start with, it can be a little bit wobbly, especially if you're not used to it. But if you do it right, it's just like riding a bike. I suppose that's what we're doing. So you need to ensure that the pedal is high up, just like this. So whichever side that you're comfortable with. And the pilot should give you a little countdown so that you're both in sync with each other.
Okay, you ready?
Yep, let's go.
Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
And off we go. And as you can see, it's a smooth takeoff because we've done it a few times before. Now, it's really important that you don't push down on the pedal, so keep it fairly equal, just like that, to keep the balance. And pilots, let your stoker know if you're going to any major turns, or if there's any bumps or potholes, or if they need to duck in case there's any branches. And to keep balance, stokers, it's really important to keep straight up, just like this. I'm just keeping it straight. And resist the urge of doing any cartwheels or anything. If you do need to adjust your bag or your helmet, just let your pilot know. And how do we stop?
3, 2, 1.
There we go. Perfect. Thank you. Okay, finally, it is really important to get practicing so that you can build your confidence. There's tandem cycling clubs everywhere and they accept newcomers. So get practicing, build your confidence so that you can be ready and relaxed for the ride. Have a fantastic holiday. Oh, by the way, and remember to get some padded cycling shorts.